Hey guys, I'm out with my kids. So look, I have not had meat in 2 weeks, and today, I think, well tonight, I'm going to have some salmon with broccoli and rice. I hadn't had no rice either. I'm out with my daughters, two of them anyway, the oldest and the youngest. Why you look sad, Aaliyah? About those two? The braids. But I'm taking you out to eat. You should be happy. I don't know. So yeah, we having family nights. I'm trying to go. I'm trying to go bowling. Hey, I am so scared to eat chicken, so I'm gonna stay away from that right now.